When I first began my practice over 30 years ago, I would ask my colleagues, who is a surgeon to refer my patients to? And the answer many times was Dick Gingrich.
Dr. Gingrich was a medical pioneer here in Portland, has spent countless hours in our peripheral vascular lab. Downstairs in the basement of the hospital, he started this laboratory more than 30 years ago, which does testing for peripheral vascular disease.
I started in 1970 with Adventist Health after I got out of my surgery residency.
I had worked with Dr. Gingrich for many years, and one day I asked him while we were in surgery what you would do if you were not a surgeon. And he told me something that surprised me. It was something very Oregonian, very Northwest. He said he would be a cat skidder in the woods, and explained to me what that was and how he would move logs with tractors. He had actually done that work in the past before he was a physician, and something that he really enjoyed.
He's a theologian. He would minimize that or even deny it, but he is. I think that's just the way he does everything that he does. He just does it with a kindness and a gentleness and a reassurance.
Dr. Gingrich has been a volunteer physician. Our medical director has been the one to help other physicians and providers, nurse practitioners, become a part of PACS, Portland Adventist Community Services. He's one of those faithful men. Dr. Gingrich is there every Monday morning unless for some reason he's out of town.
When I first started getting involved with PACS, it was, I guess I'd say my arm was twisted by a friend. There were a lot of people coming there to get food that were untreated diabetics and people with hypertension, that they weren't able to find a place for them to go.
Dr. Gingrich is well known for his excellent service to his patients, to his hospital, to his colleagues, and to his community.
Dick's an avid skier, and he's skied with me since my kids and his kids went to the same private school, Hoodview Junior Academy. Dick continues, I think, to ski with his grandson, Jack. Is a remarkable little fellow that really thrives when his grandpa is around, and continues to be actively involved in a Sabbath school here at Sunnyside. He continues to be a tremendous support to the medical staff. Dr. Ginrich's legacy here at Adventist is generational. Dr. Ginrich's daughters continue to work here at Adventist. His daughter Angela works in the emergency department, has for many years. And his daughter Cindy is actually in management here. He continues to work with his son. I think he assists with his son, who's a urologist in the Dalles. I felt awkwardly pushed into leadership probably before I was ready, and Dick supported me continuously through that. Long after he stopped seeing patients here at Adventist, I would turn to him when I had questions about medical staff leadership, and probably called him more than he was comfortable with at times, because I needed a lot, and I got a lot.
Dr. Dick Gingrich definitely deserves the Crystal Angel Award.